If a person is not on a ketogenic diet, would they be able to supplement with exogenous ketones and still receive benefits? If so, what type of health benefits would they receive based on your recent study? So we actually have tested this directly. We are well aware that, in fact, not everyone can follow a ketogenic diet or will follow a ketogenic diet, but in some cases, producing your own ketones is something that biologically your body is not able to do very efficiently. And the reason for that is that the production of ketones depends critically on a hormone known as glucagon. And glucagon and insulin are antagonistic to one another. What that means is that when insulin is high, your glucagon levels are suppressed. If glucagon levels are suppressed, what that means is that the body is not able to easily produce ketones. And as a result, particularly in those situations, exogenous ketones can kind of break past that barrier and get the body into a better metabolic state. What we have seen is that networks in the brain will stabilize with exogenous ketones, even when people are following a non-ketogenic or even high glycemic index diet. Our animal results suggest that exogenous ketones, even in the presence of glucose, show that the mechanism behind that stabilization is likely to be that signals are conducted faster in the brain, both along and between neurons.